Welcome back, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about Apple and Palantir. Okay, just Apple and Palantir. It's just a quick video. I wanted to just highlight a couple of things. The market's been selling off a little bit, but we need that. We need the pullback. Okay, so we're going to go over the technical analysis of Apple and Palantir. Let's get into it. I'm Miss Moneymaker. I'm glad you're here. Look at this nicely upslope we have right here. Okay, this is from August coming up. Okay, so Apple clearly was up here trading at $260. It was doing great. Okay, what a beast, right? This was a nice beast move right here. Okay, nice. Market selling off. Okay, all the news that came out, interest rates, things like that. But so now here we are at $236. Okay. Now this is what I want to say. You see the support line, the blue trend line that I drew? It's support. So maybe we're at some support. We're below this 20-day moving average and this purple line, 50-day moving average, but we still have some support here because it was support before. So August, we're going back like 6 months or more, right? So hopefully it'll still be support. And then not just this way, but also the other way. See the horizontal line that I have here? Before, this was resistance, sold off, resistance, sold off. Usually when you have resistance, later it becomes support. That's what it's supposed to do. So give it time to prove itself. That's all. You don't have to rush into it. Just give it time to prove itself. This is still Apple. I changed the time frame for you. Okay, so this is the Apple in the 4-hour. So see here, we had a lot of support for a long time here. So here, that's what I'm saying, we may have it again. This 200 moving average right here, we're a little below, but we may have support two different ways. Okay, the horizontal line and then this upward trend line. So let's see. Let's give Apple some time to prove itself to us. If it does, then are we going to have a move of 9%, right? See that right here? Okay, so you have a 9% move. Apple's not going anywhere. And we have earnings in 19 days. Okay, so remember that. So I wanted to just show you Apple real quick. And then now let's move on over to Palantir. The beast. What a beast mode this stock has been in. Okay, so this is Palantir on the daily time frame. Catching support. Okay, so now you see we were up here $84, all right? Click like and subscribe if you like information like this, okay? If you want to know where your stocks are at and if you're going to catch some support so you'll know when you could buy in again. So we were at $84. Now we're down here, 67. 50-day moving average, right? Okay, so will this be support? I'm going to show you on another time frame, okay? Let's just go look at another time frame. On this time frame, this is the 4-hour time frame. Still Palantir. 4-hour time frame, upper left, I'm circling the 4-hour, right? See how we would always go back to this gold line, 200-day moving average, and we would touch it and bounce, get close to it, touch it and bounce. We are here again. How many times has it did it? Enough. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, it doesn't have to repeat, but it could, right? Because that's what it was doing before. And so it usually catches support. Give it some time to start going upward. But my point is you could catch some Palantir around these levels, especially if you're long, like really long for a while. I mean, this is some nice levels. So then let's see, how much would you be making? 24%. See this, right? 24%. If you're going back to the high that we just had, the last high, 24%. So I wanted to make sure I showed that. And then also this, look, Palantir. I just popped that up there real quick. The risk to reward ratio. The only thing you care about in this, okay, let me make it a different color. I'm going to make it yellow. Okay, 3.6. You always want your number to be above a 3 when you're going to take some kind of trade position or something like that. Okay, so I'm saying if you're getting it here and if you had a stop lower in around this area, see, $62. But you said, oh, I'll ride it up to here. Not all the way to the tippy top where it was before the high, 84.79. A little lower just in case it doesn't make it. Your risk to reward is 3.6. So it's higher than the 3. So that's where I like buying on support. I just wanted to show you these two things here. Earnings, 32 days. Palantir has been such a beast. So, we're up 54, pretty much 55% for 3 months, 150 practically, 146% for 6 months. And now we had this pullback that we're dealing with. But that's our opportunity to buy. Okay, so please click like and subscribe. It helps the channel grow. And yeah, please click like. Let's see how many likes we can get on this video. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.